Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we are continuing with our Glitterbels advent calendar, and we are now doing the next four, which is day 9, 10, 11 and 12. So let's get straight into it. So number 9 comes in this cute little box. Okay. So it looks like we got a unicorn pin badge for day 9. Oh, day 10 is a heavy box, so let's open it up. Oh, and it looks like we have a gel polish for day 10. Turn it around. Yes, it's their Hema-free gel polish in a glitter green. Oh, now I'm liking that green very, very much. Any like gels and things like that I will swatch at the end so you can see them better. So day 11, same kind of box. Quite light, so I'm guessing there's not a gel polish in here. Oh. Okay, well that's awfully disappointing. It's a little tiny chocolate box. Now, if you go back to my first video, I did say, because what I tend to find happens in these things is they put a lot of like filler stuff in that is actually ends up being like, for companies, like they're cheap little fillers to like make it look like you're getting more than what you're actually getting, but it's a little love heart. So yeah, like that massive box for just a little tiny chocolate bar. That one was a bit disappointing, to be fair. A bit like number 1, it was just like a clear empty plastic Christmas bauble for day 1. So yeah, not too impressed with day 11. And then the last one for this video is number 12. This one feels heavier, so fingers crossed it's something better than a tiny chocolate bar. And it looks like we have another gel polish. Oh gosh, I'm getting this pink stuff everywhere. Sorry, I have to make sure I pick it up because my dog is a numpty and he'll eat it. So we have a Hema-free gel polish. I don't see a name for it, but we'll open it up, and it is a nice pale pink, a skin tone colour pink. So I will swatch these two and I will be back, guys. So for swatches, we swatched these two here. So first, the green, really, really nice colour green. I really, really do like that one very much. And then this one, yeah, which is like a skin tone on the sort of pink side. Very, very nice. So just to recap everything that we got. In day 9, we got this pin. Day 10, we got the green gel polish. Day 11, we got the chocolate. And then day 12, we got this gel. Now, like I said, with little fillers, like this is fine, but like this, come on, do better. Like, I'm sorry, I'm just really not happy with that. So that is everything that we got for days 9 through to 12. Thank you so very much for watching. I would love your opinion on what you think about little things like this being in an advent calendar that you do have to understand that I paid £100 for, and you're meant to guaranteed that it's worth £200. So let me know if I'm just being unrealistic in my expectations, and I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye.